Hello, today I want to pick this Codkey Locksys, which is a lock made in Bulgaria, high pin count lock with 15 pins. It is terribly made, it has terrible tolerances, it's very not fun to pick, and I don't even want to gutlet this lock. Especially since all my pin trays are taken by other locks at the moment, so we just gonna try to pick it, and that's gonna be it pretty much. Sorry, I have to change the angle a little bit. One on the right, small click, 2 good, 3 good, 4 good, 5 is binding. Let's check left side, 1 binding, click. That's it for now. Right side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Click out of 4, 5 I mean. Okay, let's change the tension now. Not binding. Click here. Click out of 2 as well. 3 is good. 4 is good. 5 is good. Let's try the right side. 1 is good. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 is good. Okay, good. Click out of 5. 4 is good. 3 is binding now. 2 is binding as well. Some shift in the car. Okay, left side feels set. Okay, that feels good. Wouldn't know. Really don't know what's holding us up. Something dropped. Fuck this lock, oh my god. Oh, maybe I'll get a pinning tray at the end. Let's do it. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. This lock gives really subtle feedback, and what happened is that I have most likely overset something, and I managed to drop the overset into opening the lock. Yeah, it's not really a fun lock to pick, since the tolerances are so bad. It feels bad picking it like you don't get any good feedback. You just feel some faint clicks and like just hope you can get it to open like you're doing a chore pretty much. Yeah, but there we have it. It is picked open. No, don't take it out of frame. Alrighty. Right then. Will the springs come out? I think so. I think that everything should come out. I turn that. Maybe I should have taken this off first to be able to move that. Better. Alright. Let's see. Is this pinched? Yeah. Oh fuck. Okay. Oh, left row, top row, right row, as usual. I don't think they will come out like that. Oh, they will. That's cool. I should have. That's okay. Should. Ah, shit. Yeah. It's resisting even after being picked. Okay, so that's like the 5 and the 4. This is the 3. Forgot they are here. One. These keepings look weird. Like they were angled, sheared off. even, sort of. Oh, fuck. I didn't think when I was doing that. I'll figure it out later. Oh, I guess you can do that as well. That would be smarter. Spring. And we're still missing this chamber here. It flipped. Which one's that? Oh, that's why. This one's number 3. So it's terrible. Yuck. Okay, I don't want to bother really putting it all in the correct order. Sorry, but I don't want to have anything in common with this lock anymore. It's terrible. I hate it. I have never picked such a bad high pin count lock. I love high pin count locks, but this one is exceptionally bad. But not hard, just unpleasant. Okay, let's have a closer look. See this row. There's like three lengths of pins and three cuts on the key, as you can see here. This is the left row, right? So these cuts here, these two are max lift that are here. This is a low lift, which is here, and these are medium lifts here. And it is like that for every, not for every, there is only 2 cuts here. There's one like low lift, which have cuts on the key in position 1, there's a low lift, in 2 there's a high lift, so short key pin, then it's the low lift again, so longer key pin, then low lift again, and then high lift, so short key pin again, and here there is the bottom part. high lift, low lift, medium, medium, high. Yeah, the wording in this lock does exist. It really makes it more difficult to reach. For example, where to pick like that. Sorry. With a pick like that, for example, when you try to reach, you can't really reach. It's easier on this side, but on this side you have troubles really reaching behind this wording to set some max lifts. That's why I resorted to that pretty much, to a pick hook diagonally to pick some pins, some high max lifts. There's the outer core with 20 holes in it. There's the core that is pretty much falling apart already. At least the nickel or whatever this is, the brass is covered with galvanized, is flaking off already, which I have never really seen happening, and it looks just terrible. Alright, I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, and bye bye.